Using the graphical method, solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. So the first equation is y equals to 3 minus 5x. When x equals to minus 1, putting the value of x, y equals to 8. When x equals to 0, y equals to 3. And when x equals to 1, y equals to minus 2. The second equation is 5x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. To find y, first subtract 5x from both sides. So y minus 1 equals to minus 5x. Now add 1 on both sides. Y equals to minus 5x plus 1. Now using this equation, let us find the coordinates. When x equals to minus 1, y equals to 6. When x equals to 0, y equals to 1. And when x equals to 1, y equals to minus 4. Now let's plot these values on the graph paper. The coordinates from the first equation are x minus 1 and y 8, x 0 and y 3, x 1 and y minus 2. Draw a line. The coordinates from the second equation are x minus 1, y 6, x 0, y 1, and x 1, y minus 4, and draw a line. Since you can see that the graphs of the linear equations are parallel and they don't intersect each other, so these equations have no solutions. Now let us solve the second part. The first equation is 3y plus x equals to 7. To make y the subject of the equation, first subtract x from both sides. So 3y equals to 7 minus x. Now divide 3 on both sides. Y equals to 7 minus x by 3. Now let us find the coordinates using this equation. When x equals to minus 5, y equals to 4. When x equals to minus 2, y equals to 3. When x equals to 4, y equals to 1. The second equation is 15y equals to 35 minus 5x. Again, make y the subject of the equation by dividing 15 on both sides. Y equals to 35 minus 5x divided by 15. Now find the coordinates using this equation. When x equals to minus 5, y equals to 4. When x equals to minus 2, y equals to 3. And when x equals to 4, y equals to 1. Now let us plot these coordinates and find the graph. From the first equation, the first coordinate is x minus 5 and y 4. The second is x minus 2 and y 3. The third is x4 and y1. From the second equation, the first coordinate is x minus 5, y4, x minus 2, y3, and x4, y1. So as you can see that the graphs of each pair of simultaneous linear equations are identical, these equations have an infinite number of solutions.